degree that I have finally received under the online mode at a convocation ceremony that was conducted by the Amity University while doing full-time job. So मेरे पास काफ़ी सारे ऐसे questions आ रहे थे लोगों से कि is it possible to do the post graduation program along with our full-time job? So of course, yes, because I have done this and I think I never experienced any difficulty while working full time at my company because you all have to manage your academic life with your professional lives. And you know what, मेरे पास काफ़ी सारे comments में queries आ रही थी and people were asking about कि अगर मैं ये MBA program कर रहा हूँ so whether it would be beneficial for me or not under the IT management. So there are multiple specialization and everybody choose their specialization as per their own convenience. But if you ask me कि कैसा कौन सा better रहेगा MBA के लिए, so I would recommend only the IT management because if you are already working in a IT sector, अगर जो नहीं भी IT sector में काम कर रहे हैं like ठीक है they are working in some data science profile and data analytics profile, business analytics profile, but IT management stream only the one stream that offers you to move across several टेक्नोलॉजीज लाइक बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डेटा एनालिटिक्स. सो अगर आपने एक स्पेसिफिक डेटा एनालिटिक्स ही ले लिया या बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स ले लिया देन यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू मूव अक्रॉस द डिफरेंट प्रोफाइल्स. बट अगर IT मैनेजमेंट है एंड IT मैनेजमेंट प्रोफाइल इट कवर्स एवरीथिंग. So I'm totally super excited currently because this is the degree, this is the PG I have already done with the first division. So I'm so happy and grateful to Amity University that they offered us to this program, they offered us to go through it. So definitely अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी help चाहिए, कोई assistance चाहिए, please let me know and feel free to do the comments in my comment section. Of course अगर जो MBA already कर रहे हैं, if also they need any help with respect to the minor project, major project or their vivas, please let me know and I will definitely try to come back to you along with your answers. Please of course आप comment section में भी मुझे बता सकते हो if you need my guidance in any specific domain so that I can guide you. I will try to provide you the best details from my end so that it can help you with moving to the correct direction. So please you can reach out to me and do your comments in the comment section. And मैंने program अपना convocation ceremony भी upload की है. Do not forget to watch that out. Thank you.